Greetings, welcome to another day of Autoforge development. So we've been working on kind of just getting our Lua code set up and things living inside of Lua rather than everything being defined within C++. And there was a lot of effort trying to just finish getting everything brought over. Um, I'm continually finding things that I thought were done, but actually need to be kind of updated, especially since we moved over to teal. And so we can take advantage of using that type information and having our scripts, actually check to see if there are issues. And so I started looking at the prefabs and also planning to do the UI stuff that was originally written in Lua but can be done in teal. But we did make some progress that is actually visible, and that's we were just working on the realm and getting that set up a little bit more so that way we have something happening in the actual game through our gameplay logic, if you can call it that. And so the big thing that I did yesterday was getting it, or today, was getting it so that we can have an entity layer and be able to, set that up and then update the layer, and the most important thing, add an entity to a realm and actually be able to see that. And so I can show you here at the start, we have a little pudding here that falls down. That is being added through Lua in our main file. Here we go, main. So this right here, we create this pudding and add it. And so yeah, that's just kind of testing things out. There's a lot more that we are going to need to be adding to our realm. Eventually, just a lot of systems, things that will live there, like the mechanical logic, or some manager thing that's representing the mechanical logic for that realm. Automata and lighting, etc. And we'll just slowly add those in as we add those features into the game. But yeah, next we're just gonna kind of be working on some updating the prefabs, updating the UI. We'll see how that goes. I also spent a lot of time trying to just get, one thing that doesn't get shown here really is that there's time spent working on updating our Jira page, which has the sprints and everything, our tasks, just kind of tracking that, as well as the GitHub and making pull requests and making sure that that's being, the checks are being passed. And I ran into an issue where our Lua expose is failing on Linux, and I haven't done any of the development on Linux. That's been my dev partner's job. And so I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to try to tackle this. And so I spent uh, longer than I'd like to admit just trying to get things set up, a Linux VM and everything, so that way I could develop and debug this, Lua expose on Linux and figure out what's going on. And I almost got there, and then I had to call and back up and kind of, yeah, we'll see how that goes. But anyways, that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.